Hello everyone. Today, I want to show you how you can change a PDF into a Word document which you can edit. I'm going to show you a way that you can do this on your computer. Alright, let's jump on the computer. I have a PDF file that I would like to convert into a Word document, so I can edit it. It's very easy to convert. And when I show you, you'll definitely laugh at how easy it is. We're going to use the app Microsoft Word to do the conversion. Let's open up Microsoft Word. Once you have Microsoft Word open, you'll land on the Start page to convert your PDF into a Word document. It's extremely easy. You simply select your PDF file and then drag and drop it on Microsoft Word. Once you drag and drop it over, my PDF has now been converted into a Word document. It brought that image in and it brought all of the text in. The great thing now is I can go in and I can edit any of this text. So let's say, for instance, I want to insert any text there and it looks like a pretty good conversion overall. If you're already in Word and you're no longer on the Start page, you can go up to the File menu in the top left-hand corner. You can then click on Open and then navigate to where you have your PDF file. I just click on Browse and I have my file here on the desktop. Next, I'll click on Open here. This will also open the PDF file and then you can edit it in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, and you now know how to convert a PDF into Word, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, hit that subscribe button. And lastly, if you want to see me cover any other topics in the future, leave a note down below, and I'll add it to my list of videos to create. Alright, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.